hear him coming. Yeah, nigga. I hear him coming. Lil' Chris, like Chris, okay, we out here rapping. Yeah, little mama, I hear the devil coming. I hear him footsteps, I start to running. I ain't never ran from a nigga and I never will. The only thing I feel is God. I almost done have feel him in my heart. Till he touched me, he showed me, tear my body apart. I know the devil, yeah, he smiled on my face, but all along he wanna pull a pistol up in my face. I ain't taking it and I ain't backslide, and I ain't trying to give no motherfucking advice, but I'm trying to tell motherfucker I gotta do whatever best for a young man's life. And I don't know who died, who made that sacrifice, but I don't play my life. I know that I gotta make money, I gotta pay bills, cause they trying to turn out my lights. Yeah, now you catch me on the block, you know a nigga hustling, niggas on some bullshit, stop me the bussin', mama start the fussin', preacher start the cussin', better yet bitchin', complain about the position, fuck this predicament, you the ones dicking it, I ain't even dicking it, you don't hear my synthesis, niggas is sweeter than a cinnamon, a honey bun, niggas want the drummer, but the reality they don't want none, but them vicious niggas poppin' them fucking guns, niggas they want it, man, send a nigga to his mums, in a motherfucking corpse, in a dead body, y'all niggas playin' fucking shoot up your body, you can tell everybody what a nigga bout, y'all niggas don't, but I took a different route, and I ain't know none of that shit what I just said. I'd rather go to church and get just head. Yeah, nigga, y'all niggas just got fed. I spit motherfucking food of life to you. Y'all niggas playing, I done brought Christ to you. Matter of fact, this water go straight through you. Bitch ass nigga, cheap playing Jehovah. Knock your motherfucking head up off your damn shoulder. I thought I told ya, nigga can't stop. I'm still the same nigga, so work up on my block. Ain't no stop me now. Ain't no stop me now. Ain't no stop me now. Can't stop me now. Yeah, they say it gon' spit. Timo said cause your flow ridiculous. Cause motherfuckers didn't even see position. Now the predicament, the nigga was sick of it. I was like, alright, let me hit these motherfuckers with the future then. Nigga get a picture of the best. Y'all niggas play, I put a hole in your head, fuck the chest. Nigga, I aim for the dome or the heart. Niggas playing games, man, I tear that ass apart. Bitch ass nigga, you can step in the street. You thinking I'm just the niggas that's rapping on the beat. I leave your ass laid down on motherfucking streets, won't make it back home. Pop a nigga some blue, still black chrome. Niggas say plastic, I don't give no fuck cause I know the way magic. I put them in a casket, the shit that I'm on is simply to explain it, it's fantastic.